Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the faculty vacancies notification from one of the government college. And here the selection will be based upon the online walk-in interview. Okay, you need not to physically attend to the campus and no need of paying the application fee also. And the salary is up to 50,000 rupees per month. And let us see the details regarding this notification.
So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UG Senate Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys.
Soon the Unacademy Plus subscription plans are going to increase, that you may check down current price and the new price. So from the 1st Feb onwards, the prices are going to increase. So before increase, take the subscription plan, guys. And for the iconic subscription plans also, here the prices are there. So these prices are going to get effective from the 1st Feb onwards. Coming to the present content of the video, it is a Central University, okay, that is Assam University. And from this university we got the few faculty vacancies notification that you may check down. Okay, so notification for online walk-in interview for engagement of guest faculties, physics, chemistry, zoology, botany and education. So click on this one, then you will be directed to this notification, okay, that you may check down here. So notification for walk-in interview for engagement of guest faculty on the temporary basis. So online walk-in interview will be held for engagement of guest faculties in the Department of Education of this university, and you may check down the date of online walk-in interview and as well as the time also. Chemistry, physics and zoology and botany and education. So all are having the almost one vacancy. Here chemistry under the unreserved category, and the two vacancies, one under the unreserved and second one is a ST, and one UR, second one OBC, and two OBC, and the one UR and one OBC and one UR and one SC. So here the date of online walk-in interviews and as well as the time is also mentioned, that you may check down. And if you are not belongs to these departments, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments, then it will be helpful to them. And coming to the remuneration, 1500 rupees per lecture with a maximum of up to 50,000 rupees per month. And whatever the qualification required here is master's degree with 55% of marks. Of course, some concession may be allowed out of this 55. Few 5% of concession may be allowed to the based upon the caste category. And apart from that one, the candidates must qualify the UGC NET or CSI or NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so you may check down this one, and eligible candidates may submit the duly filled in prescribed application form and self-attested copies of all supporting documents on or before 3rd Feb 2021 to the email ID. And the link for online walk-in interview shall be provided by the head Department of Education. Okay, so there is no need of paying the application fee also, and no need to send any postal things also, documents. So you simply have to mail to this provided mail ID here with the prescribed application form and the self-attested copies. So before 3rd Feb 2021, that means today is the last date. So the candidates who are interested, okay, then please apply to this one. Anyhow, for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity, guys. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are writing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards, And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.